Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to build native Android application under 5 minutes with these 5 simple steps. Also, I'll publish this application in Google Play Store so that you can check out the application as well and give me the feedback. If you like this video, please do comment, share and subscribe. We are going to build this Pomodoro application. So step 1 would be open your Android Studios. If you do not have, you can download and install in your system. And here in the top right, you see a new project button. Just click on that. Here under phone and tablet, you just have to select no activity. And here click on next. Just give your application name. I'm giving Pomodoro, and package name, whichever package name you wanted to give, you can give it. Location, you have to select Android Studios or any other location where you wanted to save your project. Under language, you just have to select the Kotlin. Minimum SDK would be Android 7.0. Build configuration, you have to select Kotlin because we are using Kotlin language to build this application. And now just click on finish button. The application is getting imported. Now the project got created. Under app folder, you can see 3 main folder. The first one is manifest. Under this, we have AndroidManifest.xml. In this file, we'll give package name, activities and permissions like storage, location or camera access. It also defines which screen should open first when the app launches. You can think of it as a blueprint of your entire app. Next one is Kotlin plus Java. This folder contains the source code. You can consider it as brain of your application that controls how everything works. And the third one, final one, is res. Under res, we have drawables where we store images and custom graphics, and in minmap we store app icons, and values, it contains colors, strings, themes. There is one more folder we don't get by default, that is layout folder, and I'll show you how to add that layout folder. Just right click on this res folder and hover on new. Here you will see Android resource directory. Just click on it. Under resource type, click on layout. Now click on OK. You will see the layout folder. We will store all the XML files in this layout folder. XML files is nothing but the UI screens of the mobile application. In step 2, we have to download all the pages as PNG or JPG, and we need to give this pages to ChatGPT along with the prompt. And then the ChatGPT gives us the entire prompt to generate XML code for this page. ChatGPT has generated this prompt, but I have asked it to generate a JSON prompt. It has generated a JSON prompt. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy this JSON prompt and initiate a new chat, and I'll give this JSON prompt to ChatGPT. It will give me exact code for our login page. We got the output. We just have to copy this code and create a new file under layout. You have to listen very carefully here. To create a file under layout, you just have to right click on the layout, hover on new, click on layout resource file. Here we have to give the file name login underscore activity.xml. That's it. You can see the magic. In one go, we got the perfect login page. Now let's work on remaining pages. Let's generate a prompt for the dashboard page. Upload the image and give the prompt. After that, you just have to click on enter. Let's wait for the prompt. We got this prompt. Let's copy this prompt and initiate a new chat. Give it to the ChatGPT again. Meanwhile, we'll go back to our Android Studios and create a new XML file for the dashboard. Dashboard dashboard underscore activity.xml. Now again go back to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT has generated the code. Let's copy it, and if you scroll down and see, it has recommended us to create few drawables. One is bg underscore card.xml, other one is bg modechip.xml. We have to create all these XMLs under drawable folders, and then we have to use this code. I have already created the necessary drawables under a drawable folder. I'll just paste the code here for the dashboard page. Boom, we got the perfect page. The same way we'll generate the code for these 2 pages. I've already created an entire code for these 2 pages. Let me explain the app concept. Most of us struggle to stay focused for long hours. That's exactly where the Pomodoro technique helps. It's a simple time management method where you work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute short break, and after 4 sessions, a 15 minutes long break. Our app makes this entire cycle effortless so you can stay focused and productive without burnout. In step 3, we just have to link all these 4 pages and we have to write the Pomodoro logic for this dashboard page. To do that, we just have to right click on this project folder, click on hover on new and then click on Kotlin class file, give the dashboard name page, dash dashboard activity.kt. Similarly, we have to create other files. I have created all 4 pages and I also have prepared the complete prompt for this dashboard page and remaining pages. Now let me give this entire prompt to ChatGPT to get our desired code. ChatGPT has generated entire code for our dashboard page. Now let me copy and paste it in the dashboard page. Also, let me give another prompt to get the code for remaining pages, and we have to check if there are any errors in the code. Here you can see the red color, that means there is an error. If we click on this red color line, we can see the error. If we hover on it, we'll get the exact error, and we just have to copy this line and give it back to the ChatGPT. It will fix it and give us the perfect code. Meanwhile, we'll also check the code for the remaining pages. Perfect. It has generated code for login activity and OTP activity and name activity. Let me copy this code one by one and paste it in their respective pages. Now I'll give this error code to ChatGPT to fix it. Done. It gives us the code. Meanwhile, we'll work on the remaining things. ChatGPT has fixed the error. We just have to copy this line of code and keep it in the XML dashboard XML file. The ID is missing, so we have to give that ID here. I have given the ID. Now let me check the error. Yeah, error got fixed. You can see it. Step 4. This step is very simple. Under manifest folder, we have AndroidManifest.xml file. In this file, we have to declare the launcher page, meaning when the app is opened, this is the page that will appear first. We also need to link all the activity pages in our app here, because if you don't declare them in the manifest file, even though if you create the pages, they won't run inside the application. So remember, the Android manifest.xml files tells the app which screen to start with and which screens exist in your project. Step 5. We are almost done. We just have to run this application by clicking on this button. The simulator will open and it will execute the application. If there are any errors, it will show us. Otherwise, it runs smoothly. Perfect. The app got installed and it's running. Let me click on continue button. Perfect. Let me click on continue button again. Perfect. Perfect. Well, the app is running perfectly. Now we just have to create a IPK to debug this application in the real mobile. Now just click on build. Here you have an option to build app bundle. Click on build APK. It will create a APK to test the application in a real mobile. I will keep this APK downloadable file in the description. Download and install in your mobiles and check it whether it's working or not. And if you want to deploy this project in real time in the Play Store, I'll explain that concept in the next video. Great that you're watching video till here. If you want to learn how to build APIs for this application in Node.js and integrate those APIs to this application, then please fill below Google form and also comment workshop in the comment section. Then I will conduct free 2-day workshop for you so that I can teach you from the scratch the application, Node.js APIs and application deployment. That's all for this video. Have a great day. Thank you.